Thousands of generals make important choices in war, but do we really need them? Technically, if AI would be able to do so, it would need to do a lot more than calculate strategy. It would have to understand incomplete battlefield data, anticipate an enemy's next move, and much more. But even more than that, it would need to understand humans, with all their emotions and flaws. Right now, AI doesn't do that. Modern systems are great at narrow tasks, but they don't understand context or people. First, AI could misread scenarios. For example, in a war game, human commanders pulled troops back as a peace gesture, but the AI misread it as weakness and launched an attack. Second, in future wars, enemies are going to actively try to fool these systems, using fake data or something like deepfakes. Third, there's the issue of judgment. A general doesn't just think in terms of wins and losses, they also think about lives, alliances, public opinion, and consequences. To really replace a general, AI would have to be more than powerful. It would have to be wise. And until then, it's just a tool. One that could help or not. That's up to us to decide.
Follow Baracorn for more on tech and security.